Hello there. In today's tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to add a manual payment method in Shopify. This is especially useful if you want to offer customers options like cash on delivery, bank deposit, money order, or even a custom offline payment method. So, let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify dashboard as the store owner. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner and click on Settings. Inside Settings, go ahead and click on Payments. Here you'll see all the supported payment methods, such as PayPal, card payments, and different capture options. But for this tutorial, we're focusing specifically on Shopify manual payment methods. Scroll down to find the section called Manual Payment Methods and click on it. Shopify gives you a few built-in options here. For example, bank deposit, money order, cash on delivery, COD. If one of these works for you, simply select it. Add any details like account number or payment instructions. And then click Activate. But what if you want to offer something different, like custom payment terms or a local offline payment method? No problem. Shopify also allows you to create a custom manual payment option. Just choose the Custom Payment Method option. Type in the name of your payment method, for example, Pay at Store Pickup or UPI Transfer. Then, fill out the payment instructions that your customers will see at checkout. Once you've entered the details, simply click Activate and you're done. Now, whenever a customer checks out, they'll see your new manual payment option alongside the other available payment methods. And that's all it takes to add a manual or custom offline payment method in Shopify. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Shopify payment setup guides, and let me know in the comments what other tutorials you'd like me to cover.